HIV/AIDS exposed. The biological hijack that rewrites your genetic code. The invasion. Deep within the hidden cathedral of the human body, a silent battle begins. These spherical invaders, HIV, drift through the bloodstream like microscopic mines, searching for the very heart of our protection. The target. The virus focuses on its prize, the T-cell lymphocyte. These are the generals of our immune system, the guardians of our health. Now unaware that an interloper is closing in. The docking. It begins with the precise molecular handshake. The viral spikes latch onto the CD4 receptor with terrifying accuracy, a lock-and-key moment that bypasses the cell's natural security. The breach. The cell's defenses crumble. The viral envelope melts into the cell membrane, launching its genetic core into the golden fluid of the cytoplasm. The invasion is no longer external, it is within. The conversion. Inside, the virus begins its masterwork of deception. Using an enzyme called reverse transcriptase, it transforms its fragile RNA into a durable strand of DNA, a glowing blueprint of infection. The sanctum. This viral DNA travels to the nucleus, the high-security vault of the human cell. It slips through the nuclear pores like a ghost, approaching the sacred strands of our own genetic code. The integration. In a flash of biological permanence, the virus weaves itself into our DNA. The host's blueprint is forever altered. The cell has been unknowingly drafted into the service of the enemy. The hijacked factory. The deception is complete. The cell's own machinery is now forced to read the viral code, churning out long chains of viral proteins in a relentless, glowing assembly line. The assembly. At the cell's edge, these components gather. The interior of the cell becomes crowded and pressurized as thousands of new viral structures prepare to make their exit. The budding storm. The membrane swells and distorts. In a massive exodus, hundreds of new, immature virions push out from the surface, stealing a piece of the cell's own skin to form their envelopes. The maturation. Floating in the plasma, the virus undergoes a final change. An internal enzyme, the protease, clicks the proteins into their final, lethal shape. The virus is now mature and ready to strike again. Systemic spread. The infection radiates through the lymph nodes like a digital virus through a circuit. What began as a single breach is now a coordinated assault on the body's entire network. The falling guard. As the cycle repeats, the T-cell population begins to fade. The body's natural walls crumble, leaving the system vulnerable to threats it could once easily defeat. The chemical shield.